Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to have tabs automatically open in Google Chrome. So here you will learn how to make your frequently used tabs open automatically in Google Chrome with just one click. So the simple trick can save you time every day, eliminating the hassle of opening the same tabs manually every time you use Chrome. Let's jump in. So when I open my Chrome browser, you will see most used tabs open instantly. Normally, Chrome starts with a single default tab, like the Google homepage. But I will show you how to open my preferred tabs automatically. So the first step is add a tab to open automatically. So you'll have to basically open the web page you want to include in your automatic tabs. For example, I will open our YouTube channel Click Guide. Now, I will have to click on the three dots icon in the top right side of the screen and it will show me some tools. Now, from this list, I'll have to click on the settings icon. After I click on settings, it will show up the settings page where I can see some tools at the left of the screen. Now, I will click on the On Startup button appearing just right here. When you click on this button, you will see three options. Open the new tab page, that is the Google home page. Continue where you left off, that is reopen tabs from your previous session. Also, you have an option saying open a specific page or set of pages. So, to configure custom tabs, select open a specific page or set of pages. Now, click the use current pages button and the current tabs that will be opened up in your browser will appear in this list. So the web page you open will be added to the list of tabs that open automatically. Now close Chrome and reopen it. As you can see, new tab and our YouTube channel's tab is automatically opening up. So open another web page like Facebook and repeat the process. Click on the three dotted icon, select settings, click on Startup, then choose use current pages and all the pages that will be currently opened will be added in this list. Now to remove a tab, you can simply click on the three dotted icon, click on remove and that page will not open up when you start up your Chrome. So I'll cut this out and reopen it, and as you can see now only my channel's link is in the new tab. So that is the simple way to have tabs automatically open up in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.